Good evening, class. Today I will teach you how to install a security door before it rains all over you, because it's going to rain real soon. The wind's picking up. It's going to get nasty. So let's get out there and install this security door. Come on. So there's our door, and there's the security door. We're going to take this out of its packaging, slap it on the door, do a couple drills, and call it good. Sound good? Good, good, good. I know you might be thinking, hey, your hinges are on this side of the door and not that side. It's an easy solution. We're just going to rotate this thing 180 degrees, and then the doorknob will be on the correct side. Nothing too crazy. One thing you want to do when you line up the security door is line up to the trim, so you can drill straight into the trim. So I'm going to bring this guy over, and it overlaps the trim exactly. So that way, it's perfectly aligned with the door, sealing it completely. So once you get that set up, you can drill your holes, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I have the door propped up to where I like it. It's stacked up on 2.5 2x4s right now. It's not too bad. It's a little slanted right now, which is fine. I have my level right there. I'm gonna put it back to plumb. The bubble is in the middle. Now I can mark out the holes where I want them to be, drill them out, swap the drill bits out, and then put the bolts in, and we're good to go. So that's what we're gonna do. Here you go, right, so. It is level. Hold that there. Okay. I marked it. Open the door. He's trying to drill now. Here's the security bolt. It's a one-way bolt, so you can only screw it in. You can't unscrew it. So once you have this in place, you gotta make sure you do it right. Otherwise, it's gonna be a fun time getting that bolt out. And it's just easy as putting it on. All right, the security door is in. It is level. The bolts are ready to be drilled in. And as you guys can see, the bubble is nice in the middle. So yeah, we're just gonna drill it, call it good. The top one's really gonna be anchored in. The other two, they'll definitely get the stud inside the wall. So not too bad. All right, let's see if my battery can last here. Nope, sure can, it died. That's one reason why I don't like battery operated drills. I've always had issues with them. Both corded, never issues. There's always power. Perfect. Good. And you don't want to over tighten them because you can strip out on the inside, which isn't good. All right, so you guys are at a spot where you can see everything. I have the top bar on. It's not installed yet. I just want to make sure everything's leveled because I'm doing that side, this side, then top, which is kind of backwards than what most people do. But to show you guys, the top bar is perfectly level. So I'm doing something right. We're just gonna install it now. Okay, that's a lot better. Once the hardware is in there, I think it'll shut just fine. It's not bad. Let's do the top.
What are you doing?
I'm installing this door. Watch out. Yeah, this door.
Why?
Well, that way we can have fresh air. Good. That going nowhere. Well, it's installed. Slightly cockeyed. I think I know how to fix that though. I gotta get that bolt in more, which shouldn't be that big of a deal because look at it, my impact wrench go call it that good. It's a bird. All right, so next step, installing the hardware. If my measurements are correct, which I did not do any, they should not interfere with the existing main hardware, the little lock-in knob. So let's see if that works. All right, this is super simple. Take your bolt, you put it in the slot, and you're done. And there's already pre-drilled holes for this stuff. Just pop it in place. You can do by hand. If you can put Legos together, you can put a door together. We're just gonna feed the lock through this little black circle right here, so it lines up, and we're good to go. Now there's a corresponding piece right here on the inside of the lock itself. You wanna line these two up, and then you're good to go. Obviously put the bolts through it. line up bolts on the inside. Do a small thread to start it. And then up here, same thing on the other side. And just get it kind of started. And now you can just tighten it all the way and you're good to go. So as you're tightening it, you want to make sure the outside is still lined up with the little bit of metal here so nothing is showing. And again, if you go back and forth between the both of them, you should be able to line up perfectly like that. We take our doorknob right here. So going like that. And same principle as this one. Inside mechanism first. I know I make goofy videos. They're not the most informative, but I try to make them somewhat fun when I make these videos. But if you guys do enjoy the videos, do leave a like, subscribe, comment, let me know how I did this wrong and how you do it differently. I do read all the comments and I do honestly take to heart what you guys write down if it's good advice, you know. Same thing, nab. How exciting is this? Nice and tight. It ain't coming out. No way, no how. Cool, all done. All right, so there's the door build. Ooh, I had that locked. That would have been locked up my house just now. That would be good. All right, so that's how you install a security door and hardware. Ooh, fancy. But yeah, look at this guy. It's a tough door. Opens just fine. The inside hardware does not interfere with the outside hardware. Oh, we did it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe, comment, does help, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Nice. Get some white paint, some white out. Get rid of those mar marks I made. I'm good to go.